Hi guys, welcome back to the Taste to Share kitchen. Today we're cooking something hearty and flavorful, a pan-seared pork steak with golden potatoes and a rich, garlicky glaze. Let's start with the pork. We have a nice piece of pork steak and we're going to cut it into cubes or bite-sized pieces. Once it's all chopped, set it aside. In a small bowl, combine 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a good mix. This rub smells amazing already. Back to our pork steak cubes. Drizzle them with a bit of oil. At this time, sprinkle the rub all over the meat. Use your hands to coat the meat evenly. Now let it rest for a bit while we cook the potatoes. In a hot pan, add some oil and throw in the cubed potatoes. Fry them until they're golden brown and fully cooked. Once done, it's time to remove and set them aside. Back to the pan. Remove any excess oil, then add in the seasoned pork. Cook the pieces until they're nicely toasted on the edges. Don't overcook it. We still want the inside to stay juicy and tender. Once they look good, set the pork aside too. In the same pan, add a splash of olive oil and 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. At this time, add minced garlic and cook until it's fragrant. Now it's time to bring it all together. Now, add in the fried potatoes. Sprinkle in 2 teaspoons of sugar to help glaze them. Next, add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce and give a good mix. At this time, add the toasted pork back in. Give everything a nice mix to coat it in the buttery, garlicky glaze. Now, add about half a cup of water to loosen up the sauce. This process will make sure that the meat and vegetables will be cooked. Let it simmer for a minute or two, just enough to bring all the flavors together. And for a fresh final touch, sprinkle in some chopped celery for color and crunch. And there you have it. A savory pork and potato dish full of flavor and super satisfying. Serve it hot and everyone's going to love it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of our next dishes. Check out my other cooking videos for more easy, delicious meals you can try at home. See you in the next one. Happy cooking!